extra. Oh, here we go, right. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equals x cubed minus 4x squared plus 7 at the point 2 minus 1. Give me your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. Right, a, b and c are going to be integers at the end. Differentiation, and this is this thing, we're going to look, we're going to check, as soon as we see equation of the normal to the curve, or equation of tangent to the curve, we know we have to start by finding dy by dx. And there's our rule, which is on your poster, which you've learnt. You take the old power and multiply by it, so x cubed goes to 3x squared, bring the power down, take 1 away from the power. Minus 4x squared, what's that going to go to when we differentiate?
Minus 8x.
Minus 8x. And plus 7, it disappears. If you differentiate a constant, you get 0. So that's what dy by dx is. Now, we're interested in this question about what happens at the point 2 minus 1. So, if x equals 2, dy by dx is 3 lots of 2 squared minus 8 times 2. Well, that's going to be 3 times 4. Take away 16. So we've got dy by dx is minus 4. Right. Just pausing for a moment. What does that number mean? What does that tell us is happening at point x equals 2?
Apply the gradients minus 1.
Okay, right. At that point, the gradient of the curve is minus 4. We're after the normal to the curve. What's a normal to a curve?
Bit that goes perpendicular to it.
Perpendicular to the tangent, so perpendicular to that at that point. So we've got the gradient of the tangent, the gradient of the curve is minus 4. We want the normal, so the normal gradient, remember from that stuff about straight lines, the normal gradient is that is the negative reciprocal, minus 1 over our gradient, which is minus 4. Minus 1 over minus 4 would be just a quarter. So we've now got the normal gradient is a quarter. We've also got that the curve passes through the point 2 minus 1. So we're now back to the straight line graph stuff that we did earlier on, and those rules that we learned, one of which was y minus y1 is n x minus x1. And so we've got y minus the y value, minus 1, is n, a quarter, times x minus 2. Now remember, when we made up that question earlier, we didn't want to have fractions in here, so we multiplied by the 4. Am I okay to do this in one go? Are you happy? This would be y plus 1, wouldn't it? It's y minus minus 1. So if we times by 4, it'll be 4y plus 4. Is x minus 2. And how did it want it? Ax plus by plus c equals 0. So let's take everything over to this side. 0 is x minus 4y. I've got minus 2. Take away another 4. Gives us minus 6. And I think we're happy with that. There we go. This is Dave signing off from this question. Good night.